Hi guys! Today we are learning how to fix and solve the call echo problem on Messenger. First of all, unlock your phone and swipe down from the top of the screen. Now check whether your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is stable. If the echo happens during a call, tap on the speaker icon once. Sometimes loudspeaker volume causes the microphone to pick up the other person's voice again. Turning speaker mode off can reduce echo instantly in many cases. If the issue still continues, open the App Store or Play Store on your phone. Older Messenger versions can sometimes create audio or calling issues, so checking for updates is very important. Now tap on the search bar and type Messenger. Once the Messenger app appears, open its app page. Here you can check whether a new update is available. After opening the app page, look for the Update button. If you see it, tap on it and wait for the update to complete. Updating Messenger often fixes audio bugs, call delay, and echo problems quickly. If the echo problem is still happening, restart your phone once. Temporary glitches or background issues can sometimes affect Messenger calls. Restarting refreshes the system and improves call performance. Now try using earphones or lowering the call volume during Messenger calls. This helps prevent your microphone from catching the speaker audio again. In many situations, this simple trick removes the echo completely. And that's how you can fix and solve the call echo problem on Messenger step by step. Usually, checking the internet, updating the app, or turning off speaker mode fixes the issue quickly. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple and useful tutorials.